Hello everyone, my name is Paul Cunningham and welcome to my course Managing Microsoft Exchange Server Messaging Infrastructure. Even though many organizations are moving to the cloud, there are still a lot of customers who remain on-premises and need to deploy and maintain secure, reliable email infrastructure. This course will teach you about planning and deploying the infrastructure for an on-premises Exchange Server environment. You'll learn how to install Exchange servers and configure them for secure client access. You will also learn how to create and configure mailbox databases, how to plan for and configure high availability, how to design for site resilience in Exchange Server, and also how to recover from data loss and disaster scenarios. Before taking this course, you should already be familiar with the fundamentals of Windows Server, Active Directory, have some Exchange Server experience, and be comfortable using PowerShell. At the end of this course, you'll feel ready to plan and deploy a modern, reliable, and secure on-premises Exchange Server environment. This is Managing Microsoft Exchange Server Messaging Infrastructure at Pluralsight. Now let's get started.